Robot is here. Roborock. Expensive. Very heavy. And I have to walk it in. Very heavy. Roborock robot. Intact seals. Heavy. Roborock. Mr. Duck Base. Safety and certification mop. Filter. Magnets. But wait a minute. Hard, flat floor, flat against the wall. Reserve a space of at least 2.4 feet in height, 1.31 in width, and about 4 feet in depth. Make sure the location has good Wi-Fi coverage. Plug in and make sure status lights are on. Lift the clean water tank, open lid, and fill with tap water. Open up the dustbin. Open lid, add cleaning solution. So now I'll concoct the cleaning solution. 1 liter water. 3 ml polysorbate 20. 10 ml, so 70% isopropyl. Three drops of tea tree oil. 1/8 of a teaspoon sodium citrate. 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now, we'll fill up the tank finally.
To Wi-Fi. Standby. Dustbin removed. Dustbin installed. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Standby. Wi-Fi connected. Returning to dock. Charging.